Introducing the 2025 Toyota Corolla CROSS SOL, a sleek and stylish vehicle with only 7,500 kilometers on the clock. This beauty comes in a sophisticated grey exterior and boasts a powerful 1.8 litre engine. Loaded with top-of-the-line comfort and accessories features like air conditioning, cruise control and satellite navigation, you'll enjoy every ride in this car. With advanced security and safety features such as ABS, collision avoidance braking and multiple airbags, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, the exterior spoiler adds a touch of style and security. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information.